So let's talk about N, or the number of periods. As we know, one of the fundamental components of the time value of money is time. In finance, we typically represent time in the form of number of periods, or more specifically, the number of compounding periods. But as we know, even though interest rate and often terms are expressed in years or in like nominal terms, there can be more than just one compounding period per year. So for the time value of money, we need to make the adjustment from years to number of periods. Now, of course, if we have an investment with annual compounding, or interest paid just once per year, then the number of periods matches the number of years. So if we have an investment that has quarterly compounding, then we need to change our number of periods to 4 periods per year instead of just 1. So 1 year investment with quarterly compounding, our N would equal 4. Same thing with monthly. Monthly compounding means 12 interest payments per year, or N equals 12 for every year. The nice thing about the HP12C is that we can use the G key for a one-click adjustment from annual to monthly. And you'll see that in the examples. But an investment with monthly compounding for 1 year would have 12 periods. A 5-year investment with monthly compounding would have 5 times 12, so 60 periods. And a 30-year investment, like a 30-year mortgage, would have 360 periods, or 12 times 30. So you'll see a lot of different examples, especially in the beginning, before we get into the real estate content. And I'll give you practice with all different types of compounding intervals, from annual to quarterly to monthly, so you'll get plenty of practice going forward.